Hello everyone. So if you want to fix echo issues on the Android phone during calls, here's how to do that. So first of all, I recommend you to check and to understand whether this echo issues coming from the headset or simply the microphone which you are using during your speech, or they're simply from your phone. If you think this might be from the headset, try turn it off your Bluetooth. So simply swipe down from the top right corner and turn off your Bluetooth and try using it just like that, raw. If the issue still persists, let's keep on. After that, I recommend you to explore your phone, and we gotta check either the speaker and the microphone. They're located at the bottom and at the top right here, a little bit above the camera, right? So we gotta check if they are clean, if there is no visible damages near them, because if there are any, this might be the case, and I recommend you to simply bring it to the closest local service. Also, if you are using the case, I recommend you to remove the case because sometimes it might block speaker holes. So remove it, clean it, and put it back. After that, I recommend you to open up your settings, then scroll down right to your security and privacy tab. Here we gotta locate our system and updates, and if you have any updates pending, like I do, press update your device and give it some time to be updated, because sometimes, in many cases, majorly, they fix those issues. Also, don't forget to check your sound and vibration tab if you have any call or ring volume. And if nothing else works, summon your power off menu. Usually this is power button plus volume up button, and choose your restart option. Basically, that is it. So I really hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.